definitely hadn't come tonight to see it again this year.
Watching it, and I thought the girl out there was pretty cool because it means like she's not afraid to get down and dirty, and I guess it's like me, so
it's fun. It's really fun and exciting.
I just like the noise and I like the social gathering of it.
There's a lot of noise to it, yeah, but it looks like a lot of fun, so I think maybe sometime at some point I think we might even consider doing this. It's fun, it's unique, and it's not anything that you see all the time. I think a lot of people should get into it more. Actually, to tell you the truth, I love it. It's fun.